Hello, my name is Fahd Gozar, and I'm an Agile certified practitioner through the Project Management Institute. I'm also an Agile consultant, helping organizations achieve greater business value through implementing Agile practices and techniques. The purpose of this session is to actually respond to many of the frequently asked questions that I've been receiving over the past several weeks. Before I begin responding to those questions, I'd simply like to thank the audience. Thank you very much. You've all been very supportive, and I'm receiving great feedback on all these videos. And most importantly, what makes me happy is the fact that many of you are leveraging what you're learning in these videos to help yourself become better project managers. What I've done is I've selected 2 questions from 2 of my viewers. Question number 1. I appreciate you helping us try to understand Agile framework. It can be very confusing to understand what is really meant by running a project in Agile. I work at a financial institution in the United States, and management keeps mentioning a hybrid Agile model. Could you please explain what is meant by hybrid? And this message came from Benjamin. Hi, Benjamin. The reality is that nowadays, having a pure Agile environment is very difficult. So what a lot of organizations have done is they have taken specific practices and techniques from Agile and embedded them into their traditional project management environment. And when I draw from my own personal experience, I've noticed that it's very difficult when it comes to transitioning from a traditional project management to a pure Agile environment. So I think nowadays what's more realistic is to have a hybrid model in which you leverage practices and techniques from both methodologies. Question number 2. I need to understand Agile a little better for my work. When you say Scrum, do you mean Agile? Can the terms be used interchangeably? I've heard you mention other methodologies as well, but I've never heard of any of them before. Can you clarify, please? And this message came from Apurva. A better way to look at it, instead of seeing whether you can use the terms interchangeably, is actually to look at it from a framework perspective. Agile is a framework, and to help you be more agile and embed agility into your project, you have different methodologies. So Scrum happens to be one of those methodologies. You could very well be agile by embedding Kanban practices or XP practices, which are other methodologies. So there's many different ways of embedding agility into your project. Scrum is just one of those ways. I hope that answers your question. So that is the end of today's session. Thank you very much for watching. And remember, if you have any questions you'd like to ask, or if you'd like to learn more about Agile and how to add value in your environment using Agile practices and techniques, I'd love to hear from you. Thank you very much, and have a great day.